Hello dear student, one more question for JEE students. Student, see, this is a solid hemisphere of volume charge density rho, okay, and from its point O, it is the point P at distance 2r, where r is the radius of this hemisphere, where electric field is given E, and we have to find the electric field at point Q. This is vertically downwards point and just below point O. Okay, so how we can find this electric field at point Q? By using principle of superposition. And what is the principle of superposition? We first of all take complete sphere, and we will find the electric field at distance 2r from center by letting Gaussian surface and considering whole of the charge of radius r inside at the center and take as a point charge. We can find the electric field at this point, and this entire electric field is suppose E naught, and it will be upwards because this is taken whole as a positive charge. Okay, so E naught can easily be find K volume charge density is rho, so rho multiplied by 4/3 pi r cube. This is the complete charge of this complete sphere divided by 2r whole square. Okay, so solving this we will find rho r upon 12 epsilon naught. Rho r upon 12 epsilon naught. This is the complete electric field due to complete sphere. Okay, so now electric field E naught, this electric field E naught will be the vector sum of electric field due to this portion, as well as we take another portion. So electric field due to this portion plus electric field due to this portion, and this portion electric field is taken as E, and this portion electric field is taken, let E2. Okay, E1 is already given here. E1 is the electric field due to this lower half hemisphere, and we have taken complete sphere. So upper part hemisphere electric field is taken E2. So this complete electric field will be the sum of vector sum of this plus this. Okay, so we can find E2 here, E minus E naught minus E, E naught minus E, and E naught we have already find. This is rho r upon 12 epsilon naught minus E. This is the electric field due to this portion, E2 portion at this point P. Now look the situation. Situation is this, and we have to find the electric field at this point.